Hey everybody, it is Dante the Inventor, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own face shield and face mask using one 2-liter bottle. So some materials you're going to use are styrofoam, rubber bands, glue sticks, and a glue gun. Now don't forget the glue sticks. An X-Acto knife. I use this little knife here. You can also use razor blades. And a 2-liter bottle. Shout out to Canada Dry. I am going to send you my invoice for my endorsement fee. So just moving right along. Here is my prototype. This is actually a concept that I came up with after going online. I went on Amazon earlier and I could not find a mask or a distributor to sell me a mask on Amazon. Everything now is designated for government agencies and medical professionals. So if you go online, I'm pretty sure that's what you're gonna find. So I just decided to make my own. What I did was I cut off the top of the bottle first, and you can see I did that here. And if I can turn it around, I can show you that there's a line. Usually these 2-liter bottles have a line on them here. You can look up close. So I cut that line all the way down to here, and then I cut the bottom of the 2-liter bottle here. Cut that entire bottom off. Then I took the styrofoam and I glued it here on the inside of the bottle, which would be the top. So this would go like around my eyebrows, my forehead, and I placed a huge rubber band here. You can actually use elastic if you can find it in the store. You can use elastic. If not, use a rubber band. And so that's what I put right here. This fits perfectly around my head. You can use a 2-liter, a 3-liter bottle, but I mean this actually fits perfectly, and it is a really good face shield. A 2-liter bottle may run you 50 cents to $1.50 depending on where you go. I got it from a big box store. So you are, the materials won't cost that much. But also with the bottom of the bottle, I also created a face mask, and you can see I made that little incision there, that cut, put some glue around it. That's going to go around my nose area. Then I attached some rubber bands on the side, and I can put that around my ears. You can also place little holes here for air, and then some type of waterproof material that will allow air to come in, but block all germs that might want to penetrate that material. So this is an easy, economical way to create a face mask and a face shield in this COVID-19 landscape environment that we are facing today. Please continue to be safe, well, and healthy. And if you cannot go out and find a mask or a face shield, this is an easy hack. And if you can add to this hack, please do. Please leave me a comment, send me a message. Again, thank you so much for looking at the video. Be safe.